My nigga, is that bullet holes? On both sides? In the fucking country? What the fuck? Oh yeah, today my last day for sure. It's my last day for sure. Look where the fuck I'm at! I'm in the middle of Camp Crystal Lake! I'm not gonna fucking lie. I wasn't paying attention, my nigga, and I went down the wrong goddamn road. Now I'm in the middle of the fucking woods. I'm in the middle of the fucking woods. I don't know where the fuck I'm at. I'm finna fucking trip. I ain't gonna lie. Either two things finna happen, my nigga. Either I'm finna get fucked by a bear, or this nigga Jason finna come fuck me himself. What the hell am I? Where am I?